Most cars don't die suddenly. They send warning signs, quiet, subtle, and honestly pretty easy to ignore, months or even years before they suffer a major failure. If you catch these signs early, your car can survive well past 200,000 miles. Ignore them and your vehicle might not even make it another 50,000. Today, you'll learn the 7 biggest red flags mechanics look for when deciding if a car is nearing the end of its life. The first warning sign is low compression or weak engine power. When an engine loses compression, it means the piston rings or valves are no longer sealing properly. You'll notice the car feeling sluggish, struggling on hills, or hesitating during acceleration. Drivers often think it's a fuel issue, but it's usually mechanical wear inside the engine. Once compression drops too far, rebuilding or replacing the engine becomes the only fix, and neither is cheap. If your car is losing power steadily, it's a major sign it won't survive another 50,000 miles without serious repairs. The second warning sign is excessive oil consumption. If you're constantly adding oil between changes, the engine is burning it internally through worn rings, valve seals, or a failing PCV system. Many drivers ignore this because the car still runs, but burning oil accelerates carbon buildup, damages catalytic converters, and starves the engine during long drives. Engines that consume more than 1 quart every 1,000 miles are already in decline. It's one of the clearest signs of advanced wear. The third warning sign is transmission hesitation or slipping. Transmissions don't fail instantly, they deteriorate slowly. You might feel delayed engagement when shifting into drive, inconsistent RPM behavior, or a slipping sensation under acceleration. Many drivers mistake this for normal aging, but it's actually early transmission failure. If the fluid smells burnt or is dark brown, the internal clutches may already be wearing out. Fixing a transmission is one of the most expensive repairs. And if it's slipping now, surviving another 50,000 miles is unlikely without major work. The fourth warning sign is chronic overheating or unstable coolant temperatures. Engines that run too hot, even slightly, wear out dramatically faster. Overheating weakens head gaskets, warps aluminum heads, and increases stress on the water pump and radiator. If your temperature gauge fluctuates, if coolant levels keep dropping, or if you smell a sweet odor from the engine bay, the cooling system is breaking down. Many cars fail permanently because owners ignore these early signs. A car with repeated overheating episodes is living on borrowed time. The fifth warning sign is suspension collapse or structural rust. When your car sounds like a creaking wooden ship, bottoms out over bumps, drifts while driving straight, or feels unstable at highway speeds, your suspension is failing. Worn struts and bushings can be replaced, but structural rust on subframes and mounting points is much more serious. If rust is flaking or spreading near suspension mounts, the car may not pass inspection, and repairing it often costs more than the car's value. Once rust reaches the frame, the vehicle's life expectancy drops drastically. The sixth warning sign is failing electrical systems. Modern vehicles rely heavily on sensors, modules, and wiring harnesses. When these begin failing, the car becomes unpredictable. Flickering lights, random warning messages, intermittent starting issues, or accessories that work only sometimes suggest deeper electrical problems. Electrical repairs are difficult, time-consuming, and expensive because diagnosing the cause takes longer than fixing it. If your car develops multiple electrical issues at once, it's a sign the wiring or control modules are aging out, and the repair costs may exceed the car's remaining lifespan. The seventh and final warning sign is contaminated or metallic fluids. Every fluid in your car tells a story. If you drain the oil and see metallic glitter, that's internal engine wear. If the transmission fluid has metal particles, the clutches are deteriorating. If the coolant has oil floating on top, the head gasket is failing. Mechanics always check fluids first because they reveal what's happening inside the parts you can't see. When fluids show contamination, the system is already breaking down from within. Now, here's the good news. Catching these signs early can save most cars. Many issues, like cooling system problems, early suspension wear, or minor oil consumption, can be repaired long before they become catastrophic. Even transmissions showing mild symptoms can sometimes be saved with proper servicing. The key is paying attention, so before you assume your car is dying, monitor how it starts, accelerates, idles, shifts, and handles. Check your fluids regularly. Listen for new noises. Watch your temperature gauge. Your car talks, you just need to learn its language. And if you want more simple, life-saving car tips like this, make sure you subscribe to GearSpecs. We're helping drivers save money and keep their cars on the road for years longer.